Hello and a warm welcome to Daily Drops of Heaven, your trusted source for daily doses of inspiration and personal growth. Today we embark on a journey to explore a concept that has the power to transform your life in ways you may have never imagined. The law of attraction. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so we can help you with your spiritual growth daily. Now let's dive into the video. The law of attraction is a powerful force that has been shaping the lives of individuals for centuries. It is the belief that like attracts like, and that your thoughts, emotions, and energy vibrations are what shape your reality. To put it simply, the law of attraction states that whatever you focus on in your life, be it positive or negative, will manifest in your reality. It's like a cosmic mirror reflecting back to you the essence of your dominant thoughts and feelings. This cosmic law operates on the principle that your thoughts and feelings emit a specific energy frequency. And it's this frequency that resonates with similar energies in the universe, drawing them towards you. Visualization is a powerful tool in harnessing the law of attraction. By vividly imagining your desired outcomes, you're aligning your energy with that which you seek. It's like sending out a request to the universe, a beacon that guides your desires toward you. Equally important is the role of belief. You must believe, with unwavering faith, that what you desire is not only possible but inevitable. This belief anchors your intention, solidifying the connection between you and your dreams. Emotions are the fuel that powers the law of attraction. When you emit positive emotions like joy, love, and gratitude, you raise your vibrational frequency, making it easier to attract positive experiences into your life. On the flip side, harboring negative emotions like fear, doubt, and resentment can lower your vibrational frequency, creating a barrier to the very things you desire. Gratitude is a cornerstone of the law of attraction. It's the act of acknowledging and appreciating the blessings in your life, no matter how small they may seem. By expressing gratitude, you're amplifying the positive energy within and around you. Acts of kindness too play a significant role. When you give selflessly, you're aligning yourself with the flow of abundance in the universe, creating a space for more goodness to enter your life. Affirmations are like seeds planted in the fertile soil of your subconscious mind. By repeating positive statements about yourself and your desires, you're reshaping your belief system and sending a powerful message to the universe about what you intend to manifest. While the law of attraction emphasizes the power of thoughts and emotions, it's crucial to remember that action is also a key component. The universe responds to your intentions, but you must meet it halfway by taking inspired action. Think of it as co-creating with the universe. When you align your actions with your desires, you're actively participating in the manifestation process, bringing your dreams one step closer to reality. Patience is another vital element in working with the law of attraction. The universe operates on its own timeline, and while your desires may be on their way to you, they may not arrive instantly. Trust in divine timing and remain patient. Your role is to keep your thoughts, emotions, and actions aligned with your desires while surrendering the need to control when and how they manifest. Detachment is often misunderstood as indifference. However, in the context of the law of attraction, it means letting go of the desperate need for your desires to manifest. Desperation carries a heavy energy that can repel what you seek. By releasing your attachment to outcomes, you free up space for the universe to work its magic. Trust that what's meant for you will come to you when the time is right. We return to gratitude once more, for it is a continuous practice on your journey with the law of attraction. As you receive the blessings you've manifested, expressing gratitude further amplifies the positive energy in your life. Remember that abundance is not solely about material wealth. It encompasses love, health, opportunities, and the joy of giving back to the world. Remember this: the law of attraction is not a mere philosophy but a way of life. It's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs with your desires, and trusting in the universe's infinite wisdom. For those of you eager to continue this exploration, we've curated a list of recommended resources in the video description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more enriching content on personal growth and self-discovery. May your journey with the law of attraction be filled with abundance, love, and boundless joy. Until we meet again, sending you waves of positive energy and light.